Streamlining Customs with CIMAF ECA. CIMAF ECA is a program initiated by customs authorities to manage and facilitate the importation of controlled goods. Understanding the CIMAF ECA program and its implications for customs clearance is essential for importers. Let's dive into this topic further. CIMAF ECA is a program implemented by customs authorities to manage and facilitate the importation of controlled goods. It stands for Controlled Import Management and Facilitation, Enhanced Compliance Assurance, CIMAF ECA. The program ensures compliance with regulations surrounding controlled goods while striving to streamline the customs clearance process. The primary purpose of CIMAF ECA is to strengthen border control and enhance compliance with regulations for the importation of controlled goods. It enables customs authorities to focus their efforts on high-risk shipments and expedite the clearance of low-risk consignments. Controlled goods are those subject to specific regulations, licensing, or restrictions imposed by customs authorities. These goods may include firearms, hazardous materials, sensitive technologies, certain chemicals, or products with potential security, health, or safety implications. CIMAF ECA involves a pre-arrival risk assessment conducted by customs authorities to determine the level of scrutiny required for incoming shipments. This assessment evaluates various factors, such as the nature of goods, country of origin, importer's compliance history, and intelligence-based risk profiling. CIMAF ECA emphasizes enhanced compliance assurance for importers of controlled goods. Customs authorities may conduct compliance audits or verifications to ensure importers' compliance with regulations, licensing requirements, and procedures specific to controlled goods. Importers participating in the CIMAF ECA program and achieving a favorable ECA status may enjoy benefits such as reduced examination rates, prioritized clearance, and enhanced trade facilitation measures. These benefits can contribute to a streamlined and efficient customs clearance process. The CIMAF ECA program employs risk-based strategies to focus customs resources on high-risk consignments while facilitating the clearance of low-risk goods. This approach helps customs authorities optimize their enforcement efforts and expedite the clearance of compliant shipments. CIMAF ECA encourages collaboration between customs authorities and importers. Close cooperation and communication allow for early identification of potential compliance issues, improved risk management, and smooth customs clearance processes. Importers can leverage the expertise of customs brokers familiar with CIMAF ECA requirements. Customs brokers assist in navigating the program's procedures, ensuring compliance with regulations, and optimizing customs clearance for controlled goods. Importers participating in CIMAF ECA must fulfill specific compliance requirements, such as accurate classification, proper documentation, and meeting licensing or permit obligations for controlled goods. Compliance with these requirements ensures smooth customs clearance. CIMAF ECA may involve compliance audits by customs authorities. These audits assess importers' compliance with regulations and gather evidence to ensure adherence to licensing conditions, record-keeping obligations, and other relevant requirements. Importers must maintain accurate and complete documentation for controlled goods as stipulated by CIMAF ECA. This includes records of classification, licenses, permits, transaction documentation, and other supporting paperwork, which may be subject to customs inspection or audit. Some CIMAF ECA programs may include an importer self-assessment component. This allows importers to conduct internal assessments of their compliance measures, identify areas for improvement, and implement corrective actions to enhance their compliance controls. CIMAF ECA involves ongoing compliance monitoring by customs authorities. Importers should expect periodic reviews, inspections, or verifications to ensure continued compliance with the program's requirements for controlled goods. CIMAF ECA may include a voluntary disclosure program, allowing importers to voluntarily disclose non-compliance issues. This program encourages importers to rectify non-compliance and cooperate with customs authorities, potentially mitigating penalties or enforcement actions. CIMAF ECA fosters a partnership between customs authorities and the business community. By working together, customs and importers collaborate to achieve compliance, enhance trade facilitation, and strengthen supply chain security. CIMAF ECA often involves collaboration between customs authorities and other border agencies responsible for regulatory oversight of controlled goods. This collaboration ensures a comprehensive approach to risk management, compliance enforcement, and efficient processing of controlled goods. Importers compliant with CIMAF ECA requirements benefit from reduced customs intervention, quicker clearance, and lower costs associated with administrative procedures. Compliance with regulations and licensing requirements enables importers to capitalize on these benefits. Customs authorities provide educational resources and guidance to assist importers in understanding the requirements of CIMAF ECA. Importers should make use of these resources to ensure compliance, efficient customs clearance, and optimization of benefits. Understanding CIMAF ECA and its impact on customs clearance is essential for importers of controlled goods. By ensuring compliance with regulations, fulfilling licensing requirements, and proactively engaging with customs authorities, importers can streamline their customs clearance processes while meeting regulatory obligations. Thank you for watching this video on CIMAF ECA and its impact on customs clearance. For more informative videos and guidance on customs clearance and trade-related topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.